Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add a quiz to your Instagram story. Alright, but before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. I have their 30-day free trial in my video description, so click on that to check it out. And for those of you who don't know, Amazon Prime is a membership program that offers many special benefits, including free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. You get access to over 1,000 movies and TV episodes, and also you get a lot of exclusive shopping deals with discounts up to 25, 15, all type of discounts. Okay, this is a really great deal if you like to shop online. So check out Amazon Prime. I have their free 30-day trial link in my video description. Okay, back to the video. To add a quiz to your Instagram story, you first begin by either taking a picture or a video. So I'll take a picture. Okay, once you have taken the picture, these menu items will appear on the very top. You see this one that has like a little smiley face? Tap on that. Okay, and usually the quiz sticker will appear here on the bottom, or you can just search for it. And if I type quiz, you see that it will appear here on the very top. So I'll tap on that. Okay, let's begin. So first, let's start by picking the color, okay? Look over here in the very top. You see this color wheel? So tap on that. You can choose the color that you like. Once you have found the color that you like, let's go on and asking the question. Let's see. What's your favorite movie? Okay? Once you have asked the question, the next step is to add the options. So if I tap right here and I'll just type in movie 1, okay, and then that's my first option, and I'll tap right here for movie 2, okay. And as you can see, after I've tapped in movie 2, I get a second option to a third option. If you have more than 2 answers, just tap right here on the third option, double tap it. So make sure you double tap, and you can type in movie 3. Okay, so once you have and you can keep going on and keep going on. Once you have added all your options, one thing that you have to note, keep in mind, is as you notice here, the right answer has the check mark. This is the green one. This is the right answer. If you wanna, I think by default it will make the second option the right answer. If you wanna change that, you can always just tap on the letter. So if I tap right here, now I move option 3 is the right answer, and I can tap on the very top. Option 2 is the right answer, okay? And to select again, tap on the letter, not on the body. So tap somewhere here on the letter, and that will change the right answer. And the right answer is the one in green, okay? Once you have put your question, add all your option, and you're ready to post a quiz, look over here on the very top. You see where it says done? Tap on that, and there you go. That's how you can add the quiz to your Instagram story, and you can move it around, flip it over, make it smaller or bigger, like that, and then just click on send. And that's how you can ask a quiz question in your Instagram story. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out Amazon Prime. I have their link in my video description. Thank you for watching.